How can you convert a private space into a public one? That is what you're going to see in this short video. Once, let's say, the private space is created as shown on the screen called test, you'll notice by default that the space is turned up as a private. Now, what does it mean a private? It means you really have to send an invite to the recipients either as a guest, member, or admin. Having those rights, then the recipients will be able to access to your communication, posts, as well as tasks. Before that, you need to send invite to each and individual. In case, let's say, you're planning to send invites to hundreds of the recipients, it's not practically feasible. Thus, the easiest way is to convert a space into a public one. To be able to do that, if you just click on this down arrow key adjacent to your space name, you'll find an edit space option. Click on it. The second button you would see is called public space. Turn it on, move it down, and click on close to save the changes. As soon as the space turns public, you'll notice the space name and adjacent to that it just start showing up as public space in orange ribbon. Once you convert that space into a public, how would you be able to inform the recipients about that public space? Quite easy. If you focus your attention on this hyperlink which says copy link, click on it. It just copies the link into the clipboard. The easiest way now is just to paste that link and send it via email to all the recipients. You may have dozens, few dozens, or hundreds. Now let me show you what happens when you click on a public space. Let me open up a new window, paste this public space link. I'm going to hit enter, and you would notice that it takes straight through to into that public space, and I get to see chat, posts, and tasks. Now, being a guest, I would not be able to delete any content but just to view it. That's the simplest form of sharing any information, whether it's messages, chat, posts, tasks, or file for that matter. Hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching and keep spacing.